If your body has been feeling a little distant or quiet or hard to fully connect with, especially during moments when you want to feel more present, more open, more alive, this meditation is for you. There's nothing you need to make happen here, nothing you need to reach. You're allowed to move at your own pace, to take what feels supportive and leave anything that doesn't. By the end of this practice, you might feel a little more connected, or a little more aware of what's here, or simply less alone inside your body. Let's begin by finding a position that feels supportive for you. You might choose to sit or lie down, or gently lean into something that supports you. And if it feels okay, you can allow your eyes to soften or close or stay open with a gentle gaze. Take a moment to notice your surroundings, the space around you, the temperature of the air, any sounds in the distance or nearby. Nothing to change, just noticing. And then slowly begin to notice your body, the places where your body is being held, supported, or making contact with what's beneath you. You don't have to go anywhere deeper than this. Just letting yourself arrive. And when your body feels ready, you might begin to notice your breath. Not changing it, not deepening it, just noticing that it's already happening. The natural rhythm of inhale and exhale. You might notice where you feel it most clearly. In your chest, your belly, your throat, or maybe it feels subtle today, and that's okay too. There's no right way for this to feel. And as you continue to notice your breath, you might begin to feel the gentle pull of gravity, the way your body is being held by the earth beneath you. Nothing you need to hold up, nothing you need to carry. Just allowing your weight to be received. You might imagine the ground beneath you as steady, ancient, unchanging, holding you exactly as you are. And if it feels supportive, you can allow your body to soften just a small amount into that support. Not all the way, just 1%. Letting the earth do a little more of the holding. And from here, we're not going to move toward pleasure directly. Instead, we're simply going to begin with sensation. very gently, very slowly. You might start by noticing any place in your body that feels neutral, not intense, not overwhelming, just present. It could be the feeling of your hands, the weight of your legs, the contact of your back against the surface beneath you. And if it feels okay, you might stay with that sensation for just a few moments. Not analyzing it, not trying to change it, just letting yourself feel it. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. You can gently come back to this one place. And from here, you might begin to notice if there are any areas in your body that feel even slightly pleasant. Very small, maybe warmth, softness, tingling, ease, or maybe not. And if not, that's completely okay. Neutral is enough, because this isn't about creating pleasure. It's about allowing your body to rediscover sensation in a way that feels safe. You might move your attention slowly from one place to another, noticing what's there and what's not, letting your body guide you. And if at any point something feels like too much, you can pause, shift, open your eyes. You're always in control here. And if something feels even 5% more open or 5% more present, you can stay there. Let that be enough. Because sometimes this is how pleasure begins again. Not as intensity, but as permission. And as you continue to rest here, you might begin to notice what your body is doing on its own. The subtle shifts, the small openings, the moments of settling without needing to guide it, without needing to do anything at all. Just letting your body move at its own pace, trusting that it knows how to open, how to close, how to protect, and how to soften. in the timing that feels right for you. There's nothing you need to rush, nothing you need to force, just allowing. And when you're ready, you can begin to bring a little awareness back to your surroundings, noticing the space around you again. Any sounds, the temperature, the feeling of the air on your skin. You might gently deepen your breath just slightly and begin to bring small movements back into your body. Maybe wiggling your fingers or your toes, or shifting your shoulders, taking your time. There's no rush to leave this space. And when it feels right, you can allow your eyes to open, bringing this sense of awareness with you. If you'd like to continue exploring this, I've created a worksheet for this series to help you reflect on your own experiences with sensation and pleasure. And I also have a free booklet called Sacred Spaces, Creating Safety for Insight, to support you in building this kind of safety within yourself. Both are linked below. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this time to be with yourself.